Hey, welcome to my channel. East Sussex is a ceremonial county in southeast England. It is bordered by Kent to the northeast, West Sussex to the west, Surrey to the northwest, and the English Channel to the south. The largest settlement is the city of Brighton and Hove, and the county town is Lewes. The county has an area of 1,792 square kilometers and a population of 822. 947. The latter is largely concentrated along the coast, where the largest settlements are located. Brighton and Hove, Eastbourne, and Hastings, the centre and north of the county, are largely rural, and the largest settlement is Crowborough, 21. 990. For local government purposes, East Sussex comprises a non-metropolitan county, with 5 districts, and the unitary authority of Brighton and Hove. East Sussex and West Sussex historically formed a single county, Sussex. The northeast of East Sussex is part of the Weald, a sandstone anticline that was once an extensive woodland. The highest point in this area is Crowborough Hill, part of the High Weald uplands. The southwest of the county is part of the South Downs, a rolling chalk escarpment that stretches west into West Sussex and Hampshire. Ditchling Beacon is the highest point. Where the downs reach the sea, they form high cliffs such as the Seven Sisters, where eroded dry valleys create an undulating skyline. The county does not contain large rivers, but its largest are the Rother, which forms part of the boundary with Kent, the Cuckmere, and the Ouse, which rises in West Sussex and flows through Lewes before reaching the English Channel at Newhaven.